Hi, today I'll be talking about how to fix AliExpress error code CSC 72000026. So what you want to do is go to this website, which will be in the description below. It shows all of the error codes, the reason and the suggestion of the error. So let's take a look at the error code 72000026. It says that the reason of this error is due to a security reason and card verification is required. So, and it gives you a suggestion of please click claim on Alipay button or click to submit a document directly, and it usually takes 1 to 3 working days to get a result. But during shopping festival, it will make it as soon as possible. So what you need to do is check your card if there's anything wrong with it. And if there's nothing wrong with it and you are confident that your card works in other platforms, what you have to do is go to the AliExpress Help Center and you want to go to the online service, which is 7 days a week, 24 hours, and you want to post your question there with the order details and your card details, but not the exact card details, but like what card company you are using and if there's anything wrong with your current payment method. So this will help you fix your issue, and I hope this video helps.